In today's video, we will talk about some top 3 best free music apps for iPhone or Android. So let's get started. The first one is Audio Mac. Audio Mac is a completely free platform for artists and labels to share their music without limits. Artists do not need premium accounts for unlimited storage, advanced analytics, and more professional features. Free accounts include unlimited storage whether you have one song or 1000. So, on second, we have Offline Music Player app. So, basically, Offline Music Player app is a song player to play offline music with equalizer, music playlist, and music widget. You can easily manage your offline files and video and audio files to the playlist and play music offline and in the background, and you can listen to it without an internet connection. Then on third we have eSound Music. This music app is without limits. eSound is a free music streaming platform where you can listen to, save, and discover your favorite music and artists and songs. eSound has the capability to offer both online and offline listening experiences. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.